Curbing gang violence in Georgia. Attorney General Chris Carr met with the Georgia Anti-Gang Network in Garden City today. WSAV's Brian Gallagher was there and explains how they are taking a stand for your safety.
It's the paramount duty of government to protect person and property. All Georgians deserve to feel safe.
Thursday afternoon, Georgia Attorney General Chris Carr heard from local law enforcement about what they see when it comes to gang activity and violence. Carr says it's a big issue not only in the coastal empire, but across the state.
Whether you're talking to the GBI or the FBI, between 60 and 90% of all violent crime is gang committed. 80% of all human trafficking is gang affiliated.
And according to Carr, it's more difficult to deal with in coastal Georgia.
It's complicated. You can look at it from the school perspective. You can look at it from the neighborhood perspective. You can look at this regionally, transportation-wise, coming out of the ports, organized retail crime. It's a complicated issue.
The biggest concern now is what state resources can be given to help law enforcement on the local level.
One of the things in particular is grant money to go to Formulytics, which is a gang database that has to do with tattoos and tagging and that sort of thing. We're going to be working with federal, state, and local law enforcement.
And more efforts to prosecute the most violent gang members are coming later in the summer.
But on July 1st, we also will have a prosecutions unit, a historic, first of its kind state prosecutions unit that will be able to work with DAs and others to prosecute the most violent criminals in our communities.
Reporting in Garden City, Brian Gallagher, WSAV News 3, on your side.
At this time, Attorney General Carr is waiting on what the budget will look like for such initiatives to help state and local law enforcement.